Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to Vishnu IAS Academy. Today we'll discuss about one important agreement which happened between the UK and India. So basically it's a free trade agreement. So always if you see, we can also call it's a comprehensive economic and trade agreement. Why? Because if you see all the agreements which we see are basically related to the all trade and economic perspective, right? So for every agreement we'll have some pros and cons, but this economic agreement or the trade agreement which we have with the UK has somewhat public concern. So it has public impact on public. So now we'll discuss about it. Okay. So actually, whenever two countries are taking some free trade agreement, it is actually benefit to the people. Why? Suppose let's take some textiles. So if you are having the free trade agreement, the taxes on the textiles would be less. So our prices for the current market also would be less. But in this FTA agreement, there is a certain products which is a concern now. All the high fat, salt, and sugar products are now under this agreement. So because of that, biscuits, chocolates and soft drinks which has more sugars and high fat values, now they attract less taxes. That's why it's for Indians, it's easy to buy and easy to consume as well. Especially if you see in India, 30 age group or people are around 65%. Those all will be attracted to these things and may they fall into obesity category. That's why it's a concern. So if you see all the chocolates and like if you see that cool drinks, everything comes under low tax, attracts low tax. So that's why it's a big concern. So if you see the same thing has been already happened with the Mexico. So when North America and Mexico, they both got a NAFTA agreement, North American free trade agreement between the two countries. That time Mexico faced the same issue with the obesity. So that's a thing we are discussing. So Mexico with the US and Canada as well. And similarly, if you see this because of this agreement, now we can see HFSS influx. What a HFSS? High fat, salt, sugar content product. And health crisis. What is that? Obesity. And because of obesity, they may attract non-communicable diseases also. That's what it's big concern now. So if you see the current regulatory pattern we are following in India, labeling regulations. So if you see tobacco, for example, will be putting some image showing that if you consume tobacco, it may lead to cancer. But in a similar way, they are not proper labeling for these products. So, and one more thing, no more advertising control. See, if you see all the celebrities, they start endorsing or start advertising these all high fat and sugar salt. So people may get attracted. And if you see marketing oversight, so if you see these unhealthy food are getting popular because of the advertising models they have. That's why people are getting attracted. And if you see now our regulatory FSSAI, now it's a following a star rating system. This is followed by our Food Safety and Standards Authority. But the thing here is the star rating system, it is not clear. It is typical. So even common man or even common consumers, they'll not understand it a proper way. So that has to be changed. And one more thing, one more alternative also is there. So FOPNL, front of pack nutrition labeling. So if you see some product like biscuit chocolates, if you turn back, we can see all the nutrition information, right? But if you start keeping that information in front itself, like just below the naming, it's easy for the consumer to see the details and the byproduct. So that's what it's a nutrition labeling, and it has proved successful in international level also. But currently in India, there is a no compulsory recommendation for this front of pack nutrition labeling. And if you see That's what, because of there is no proper regulatory. So according to expert and their recommendation, ban HFSS advertisement. So high all fat, sugar, salt advertisements should be banned, and implemented color FOPNL. All, see, if you see a product, non-veg thing would be labeled in a red and vegetarian would be green. In the similar manner, by using front of pack nutrition labeling, give all the different colors to this. That's what expert recommends. And regulate celebrity endorsement. So please regulate the celebrities and give them strict guidelines to not to promote this high fat or sugar or salt products. And if you see this trade agreement, because it's a trade liberalization, right? So if you see India UK FTA outcomes, market access to medicines and a balanced regulation. If all this together will have, then it is useful. Why? Then intellectual property, they governs under trade liberalization for the economic purpose and public health protection for the safety. These all together, with all this balanced approach, that will be a successful India's UK FTA agreement. So the Indian government has to see this properly and has to little bit concerned about the public health also and make this agreement accordingly. Otherwise, all the Indians will face a difficulty by due to some diseases like all the non-communicable disease and even the diabetes also. So let's stop consuming this HFSS product and let's go into a healthy way of living. That's it for today. If you like our initiative, please like, share, subscribe our Vishnu IAS Academy YouTube channel. Thank you.